So for the teachers who are interested in at least, dipping their toe in this, exploring it, learning more about the Eduverse and Avantis world and everything that's entailed with it, how do they get started? Is that do they need to create an account? Is this something that's paid for? Do they have to go through their school? What do teachers have to do for step one here?
That's a really good question. And all this changed as of last week.
Well, good timing.
with the announcement at ISTE. So when we walked into ISTE, we basically had two primary products as a company. We had Class VR, which is still, in my opinion, the best turnkey hardware software blend. If you need headsets, if you want to have that fully immersive environment, Class VR is the way to go for education. So you can go to classvr.com. We can connect with you, come out to a demo, all that type of stuff. We also then sold Avantis World. If you want that premium content, if you want all of those 265 explorable scenes spread across Trip Through Time and Literacy Land and Super Science and Engaging Earth, that is its own product, works across all hardware, etc. As of last week, though, at ISTE, we just had two big announcements. Number one is we announced, as you said, the Eduverse. That's sort of our umbrella that is encompassing everything we do. So if anyone wants to get involved with that, all they have to do is go to eduverse.com. In the upper right-hand corner, it gives you an option to create an account or to go into the Eduverse. And once you create an account, it's going to say, are you using Class VR hardware or are you using anything else? If you say anything else, it's going to take you to our second announcement, which is a product. And this is a completely free product. It's Expeditions powered by the Eduverse. And that will give them the ability to have access to some of those scenes, to the free rooms that I talked about, like the playground and all of that stuff. It also gives you access into some of our Class VR content that we provide in our starter library. So if you pull up a 3D model, all the students as avatars can walk around the perimeter of the 3D model, look at it, and you can get up close to it, or if you're in a VR video or something like that. And all of that content is going to continue to be expanded between now and the launch of school.